Hey guys, I thought I'd do another video using my Sharpmaker. I really like this thing. I'm going to be sharpening this bird crossbill. It's partially serrated. The serrations don't need sharpening. I'm only going to be sharpening the plain edge part of the blade. First we'll do a quick cut test with it now. And it's actually still really sharp, so I'm just going to be using the fine rods just to touch it up a little bit. Alright, I've never sharpened a hawkbill style blade, so let's just see how this goes. I watched the DVD, so I should be able to do this. Okay, let's just flip to the flats already. God damn it. Never wants to fit. See, it doesn't need much on that other side. Mainly just getting rid of the burrs. Since, if you could see it here, you can see the edge. You can see that it's a chisel ground. So, still feels pretty sharp. Let's see how it cuts. Move that out of the way. I'd actually have to say that that is sharper. Wow, I'm really amazed with this knife. This is the best $18 I ever spent. So, there you go. Might not have any new videos for a while. Gotta wait till I have some money for some more stuff. I'd like to give a shout out to my 60 subscribers as of today, August 25th, 2008. Thank you guys for your support, watching my videos. I really appreciate it. I'm out, guys.